Transferring a domain is so mind-numbing, and domains are the basis of running an internet business. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer a domain into or out of Bluehost, which is my recommended hosting provider, and I'll show you step by step, very simply. Come on. Let me show you exactly how you transfer a domain into or out of Bluehost. Now, websites, I'm not going to go into it. If you're looking up Bluehost, you know websites are the basis of having an internet business. I'm going to be showing you just how to transfer a domain out of the main hosting provider I use, so it's easy for you. You know, it's a complicated thing. Now, first off, Bluehost is a domain host and provider or registrar, meaning you can buy domains there and you can also, have it host domains, which means it's actually the computers that are serving your website out to the world are on Bluehost. The first thing I want to just kind of disclaim about this entire process is things sometimes change, interfaces change. So always Google things first to get the best up-to-date information. So I'm going to be showing how to transfer a domain out of Bluehost first, and then I'll be showing you how to transfer a domain into Bluehost. So here I am logged into Bluehost, okay? And this is where, I have, this is my demo account. This is one of my domains, learnup.com. Now to transfer a domain, what I want to do is I want to go to this, see this domains area? Right there, and then I'll click on that. And really, it's pretty easy. You just go down to this transfer button right here, and that's all we're kind of do. Click transfer. Now, you see I have registered this domain through Bluehost, which Bluehost uses 2 Cows Domains Inc. or something like that. But basically, this is through Bluehost. So as you see, it's already unlocked. My domain transfer is unlocked, and all I have to do is click Initiate Transfer Now to start initiating the transfer. So if I click that, it'll bring me to a screen. It's telling me I have to wait 35 days to transfer my domain. So that's one kind of caveat to this whole thing, is if you haven't owned your domain for very long, you're going to have to wait a few days to actually transfer your domain. And this is a security precaution because internet fraud is a huge thing. People taking over other people's domains. So this is done for your benefit. But as it says, I can wait 35 days to transfer my domain if I wanted to. Now I'm going to show you how to transfer your domain from another registrar over to Bluehost. So the first thing you really want to do is you want to look up, you actually want to Google it every time. There are a million domain registrars. You can use GoDaddy, you can use Enum, you can use 1,000,001. Let's look up, top domain registrars. The list is absolutely ginormous. Okay, domain.com, Namecheap, HostGator, name.com, register.com, 1+1. It's out of control. But what you do is you would just search how to transfer my domain out of, I'd say Enum. Enum's another one I use. Basically just search that, and generally speaking, you can find an article. The best thing to do is find an article from the actual company itself, because as times change, you'll find articles that are old or new or whatever. And I suggest you keep all of your main domains in one place. I keep all of my domains on Bluehost because Bluehost is, it's the main thing I use to run my internet business. So right here, I'm just going to click that, and you'll see literally just follow the step-by-step instructions. Now, if the step-by-step instructions do not help, make sure you always contact support. I know this sounds obvious, but make sure you email, make sure you call, because this can be a sometimes complicated process. I just want to give you kind of the tools to do things. Now, as you see, it has the steps right here. So I'm going to log into my enom right now, and we can go to, we would click, for this domain register, I'd go to domains and click domain transfer right there. So I'd need to get the domain name and the authorization code from the particular domain that I want to get. Now I have hundreds of domains on enom, so I don't want to go through them all right now, if you understand. But the point being, there are step-by-step instructions on everything, and that's how you transfer a domain. Is really, it comes down to Googling it, unlocking your domain, and going through the steps, and then contacting support if you need any other help. Hope this was a helpful video. If you are looking to register a domain or move your domain domaining to Bluehost, feel free. I should have a link somewhere in my description where I explain how to do that. Also, if you are interested in learning how to build an internet business, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and you will get a free course on affiliate marketing. That's what I do, and I make over $500,000 a month as an affiliate marketer. I made this video for those of you who, because I have a lot of people who follow me and want to register domains. But if you want to learn more, go to there. Make sure to comment, leave a comment if you like this video, or if you'd like to learn more information about certain technical aspects of internet marketing, and make sure to like this video as well. Talk to you soon.